I think one of the key developments, obviously, in precision medicine has got to be immunotherapy. This is the biggest thing that's hit for many, many years. It's given the opportunity potentially, you don't really just, it's like a whack-a-mole problem in targeted therapy. You solve it for 6 months and it's back. Immunotherapy is different because you could solve it and it's gone forever. So it's a big change and a really important one. So I definitely see that as being the dominant mechanism over the next 5 years. And then you got to ask yourself, what are the kind of tools that are needed in immunotherapy? And I think one of the key things you're going to find is that different than targeted therapy, you're not going to have diagnostics that are linked to each individual breast cancer type, prostate, or whatever. The idea is that for immunotherapy, we may end up with a universal test. Just like immunotherapy is actually almost a universal solver, I think the tester is going to be a universal kind of companion diagnostics. So I think what will happen over the next 5 years, in some respects, it gets simpler, because immunotherapy is going to be a guiding principle, and then the same for the companion diagnostics. It's going to get simpler because you're going to be probing the immune system's response to the tumor, and just like the therapy, it's more universal. So I see those two things happening. So I think there could be a simplification as well as much better efficacy.